Creative writing. Dive into character monologues. Hello, learners. Today, we are delving deep into the world of creative writing. Specifically, we'll be discussing a captivating method of developing characters, writing monologues from different perspectives. This technique not only enhances our understanding of the character but also polishes our writing skills. So, let's dive in. A monologue is a speech or composition presenting the words or thoughts of a single character. Think of it as a soliloquy in a play where a character expresses their thoughts, desires, and emotions aloud. When crafted from various perspectives, it can provide profound insight into a character's mindset, past, and motivations. Monologues can be a powerful tool because 1. They deepen the understanding of a character's inner world. 2. They showcase the character's unique voice and vocabulary. 3. It's an opportunity to reveal hidden emotions and motivations. 4. They can be used as a technique to present backstories without a lengthy exposition. Let's get hands-on. Here are some prompts to inspire your character monologues. 1. The revelation. Your character discovers a secret about their past. Have them reflect on it. 2. The dilemma. Your character is faced with a tough decision. Let them weigh the pros and cons out loud. 3. The dream. Your character had a vivid dream. It might be symbolic or prophetic. Have them describe and interpret it. 4. The conflict. There's a person your character deeply disagrees with. Let them voice out their frustrations and concerns regarding this person. 5. The desire. There's something your character has always wanted but never voiced out. It's time to let those desires take center stage. Remember, while these prompts give a direction, it's your character's unique voice and perspective that will make the monologue memorable. 1. Stay true to the character's voice. If your character is a young teenager, their vocabulary and expressions should reflect that. Likewise for an elderly historian or a soldier. 2. Keep it relevant. While a monologue can wander, it should still be relevant to the character's current situation or the story's progression. 3. Emotion is key. This is the character's chance to express, lament, rejoice, or ponder. Make sure there's emotional depth to their words. 4. Duration matters. While there's no strict rule on length, ensure the monologue isn't so lengthy that it loses its impact. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of character monologues. We hope this technique brings depth and life to your characters. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. So, grab your pens, let your characters speak, and unleash your creativity. Happy writing!